Joey. Yeah, we're ready to do the final installation of the bed. I already did, of course, some time ago the lower cabinets, and I still have the upper cabinets to do, but I'll be installing the main bed permanently now. So I added a little bit of blue tape where the screw holes have to come. So now remove the cover strip and drill the holes. Before attaching this, I have to remove the plastic cover. Before I do the installation, I just wanted, if I can keep it dry, it's raining again here in Florida. Wanted to show the basic mechanism that I use as a pivot point, both for the bed itself as well as for the legs. The legs are slightly different, but more or less they are the same. I got a shoulder bolt, 2 washers on the outside, 2 flanges in the bed. That's more or less where the bed turns around. Then in the sideboard, which is extra thick, which will hold the weight of the bed, got this extension bolt and another washer and a bolt itself. It's made out of separate parts, so it's probably about $15 or so in cost per axle. So it's not that cheap, but it's affordable. And besides the wood for the bed itself, that's all the cost for it. So that's what I'm going to use to install the bed, and that's what I'm working on right now. it's approximately the same distance from the side, so it's reasonably centered. And now I need to put in those pivot things. I'm gonna use some epoxy to glue these flanges in. Now I'll take this shoulder bolt with a big washer, put some thread locker on it, I will have to leave the bed in a down position for some time because I don't have a locking mechanism figured out yet. So I do this the other way around with the shoulder bolts on the outside. I think they're looking a bit less obvious. Then I'll do 2 washers in between. And then the bolt and the washer on the inside. Okay. This will allow me to put this molding on. Let me see. For those of you watching that haven't seen this before, this is my floor vent that goes down through the wall and the floor to an open area underneath the chassis. So it draws in hopefully cooler air, and then especially in combination with the roof vent, which is on the opposite side of the van at the top, some convection can occur, and this is my homemade gate which can open it and keep it closed, and this is the way it looks on the outside. this door, because there's some more stuff over there, will be installed permanently, so it looks like a door, but it's just a cover. There we go. So I enlarge the hole here for some access. Now let's screw this down again. Okay, like the previous one, I'll put a check valve on the second vent line as well. So that's the way I'll leave it. The next step is the wardrobe closet hole. I finally installed the Murphy bed, and while not entirely complete, we're still missing the upper cabinets, and the Formica is still covered with a plastic cover, so that doesn't look perfect either, but I'll leave that on just to avoid any damage. There will be a picture in here, a small oil painting, and there will be a desk as well here that can be folded up against the bed with another picture on it. But you can have at least a good idea what I try to accomplish. It's made of plywood and Formica, as you can see. I'm still holding it because I don't have a lock to lock it in, but that'll be soon. Like all Murphy beds, it comes down and it has its own legs. And one out here. And it's really solid. And for a van, it's a fairly, yeah, Joey? Okay. For a van, it's a really sizable bed. I'll go into it. Ah! Ay, 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 ay. Okay. It's about 40 inches wide internally, the size of the mattress. The big advantage of a Murphy bed is that it creates a lot of living space inside the van during the daytime. When it's folded up, it only takes about 12 inches, 12 or 13 inches off of your living space. Okay, Joey. And living space is really important inside a van, especially during inclement weather, when you have to stay inside the van for a couple of days at least. And then you'll find out how small a van can be. Okay. Ay, 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 ay. Another advantage is when you fold it up, that everything is out of the way. Hi guys, this is Joey and we're building a one-of-a-kind RV. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like and subscribe. Or better yet, leave a comment. Thanks guys. Done a good job.